My name is Mandy Capron, and I'm from Hendersonville, North Carolina. I'm a stay-at-home mom. Just recently started homeschooling my youngest, and on the side, I make jewelry sometimes. The ability to be able to, for so many years, I did this, and I was so self-conscious, and so I just did not smile. It was awful because it when you don't yourself, it just puts you in a bad mood. You're never, you want to feel joy and be happy, but when you don't smile, it's almost like you don't feel that. You feel negativity all the time. I didn't do anything. And then my family also didn't do anything. We were isolated because I was so self-conscious about it, would not, just turning down the invites. I'll put it like that. Yeah. It was awful. It was awful. This experience is so life-changing, like really life-changing. Everyone deserves to have teeth. It's not a luxury, it's teeth. You need to eat. You need to be able to live. And I wasn't living, and neither were they, my family. Like, we were just existing because of my teeth. Well, it's sort of, there was no more time. It was just out. It had run out. And I was going to the hospital a lot for teeth pain. And of course, they tell you need to go see your dentist. And it's like, yeah, I would do that, but I don't have one. It's not that easy. It's not that cut and dry. So literally, it was a timing thing mostly. It was almost like fate, or I guess you would say. I mean, it needed to be done for years. And then that call that day, we had a real bad experience somewhere else, and that made us keep looking, and thank goodness that we did. Number one, I had no idea this was a possibility. I thought I had to go get regular dentures. And I was only 35. I was like, I don't want my teeth on the side of the bed in a jar. So I put it off, and I had started trying to find people, and I just couldn't find the right match. And it was sort of a wild story how I got to Dr. Logan. Like I said, my son goes to school right there, and we had driven by the old office just day in and day out, and we were going to all these other places, the wrong places. And one day my husband was like, I'm going to call them. Here we are. Dentures, they don't look natural. And that was my problem. I never had a nice smile. I didn't want to go, I just wanted to have one for once. Steak and tacos, and then put them together as well. Yeah, you have that. It's confidence. Yeah. I did not have confidence. I went up and I met one of my friends in a restaurant, just walked up to her, and I was like, hey, I have a kid with autism. Hey, I have a son I have the boy versions of your girl versions. Let's be friends. I never would have done that. That's who I was inside, but I never could be that on the outside because it all stopped right here. I still just can't believe it, honestly, sitting here talking to you about it, because I never would have been able to do this without this. Man, I get flooded with so many emotions and things I want to say, and then it's like I go blank. But my biggest thing is I just can't thank him enough. Like, there is not a thank you big enough for him and his team. How do you think someone who changed your life on this kind of level, who gave you your health back and a smile and friends? I have the most awesome friends I just met because of teeth. Literally, it's so weird. But, and in just 2 years, they're my best friends. Like, I've had friends all my life growing up. I still talk to people from high school, but these are like my best friends. Don't wait any longer. Like, get in there now. In fact, anyone that ever asked me about anything dental wise, I'm like, you need to go see Dr. Logan. You deserve the smile today.